Ever tried to manage campaigns or global data only to hit that access denied? And that is because of the region blocks or the IP bans. Now, it's frustrating and it is actually slowing everything down. Let me go ahead and show you how I can help you with that one. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of Novada. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It stands as a professional global IP proxy provider, and it's built to eliminate that long-standing challenges that businesses as well as those individuals face in accessing reliable unrestricted networks. Now, its mission is super clear, guys, and that is to provide the real, secure, and stable connectivity to navigate the web without any boundaries, restrictions, or disruptions on your connection with those sites. Now, the first point would be, the real problem, right? Why you keep on getting blocked. And that shows that, cross-border sellers, marketers, or analysts are getting restricted by platforms because of IP or the geographical limitations, meaning they are not allowing certain countries and the IPs that you have. Say, for example, you are from a certain country and you are accessing like UK-based websites and they're not letting you, access that because you are from that restricted country. Proxies will be able to help you out. Now, being blocked with all those restrictions are the ones that are killing your workflow and slowing your market research, the broken campaigns, as well as the missed opportunities. And that is the reason why I am introducing this to you. What sets Novada apart is its massive scale and its infrastructure. So with a network of over 100 million real residential IPs across more than 220 countries and regions worldwide, Novada ensures that seamless global coverage with the industry-leading stability. And each of those IP originates from authentic residential gateways that guarantees the anonymity, the low ban rates, and that higher success rates for business operations such as the web scraping, the ad verification, and that data collection. As you can see on your screen, guys, it says hassle-free integration into your projects. It is your best bet into getting back the efficiency. Now, this is their document, guys. I would strongly suggest, of course, that you do your own research and check this one out. So, guys, as a one-stop proxy hub, Novada is offering every major proxy type. You have the residential, you have the ISP, you have the data center, mobile, unlimited, and the IPv6, all manageable through a unified dashboard. Now, this is how it looks like, guys, when you are logged in to their dashboard. So you have the overviews, you have their products, okay, you have the residential and the static ISP proxies. So I would strongly suggest that you create your own account. That way you could play around with it and making sure that your process workflow is not going to get any of those geographical bans and all that, okay? Now, for a limited time, guys, Novada is making its premium network even more accessible with their exclusive promotion, the 35% off on all residential proxies, the 20% off on unlimited proxies, and a new user package featuring that dynamic residential proxies for just $5.50. All right, $5.50 per 5 gigabytes. Now, that is the biggest deal of all users that can apply the code Novada60 off. It will be in the description of the video. You will be able to get that 60% off that dynamic residential proxies. Now, that is a really great deal to start with, guys. All right, so guys, backed by reliability, scale, and innovation, Novada is actually continuing to empower global users with the freedom to connect anywhere, anytime, with total confidence. So if region locks or IP bans are slowing your business down, guys, it is time to switch to Novada. So you can go ahead and visit the site, grab your offer, and start browsing or scaling globally without any restrictions today. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.